So we have a winner, and it is this. So you remember that I actually made two starters with two different breads. So let's see which one actually won the contest. No niin. Moment of truth. Here we have the contestants. This is made with Fincrisp. The starter is Fincrisp, and this one is made with Vaasan ruispalat, Ohut herkku, which is my favorite. So I made two starters. By the way, starter in Finland, it doesn't mean starter, it means the root. So the root of the dough. So that's what we are testing now. First, let's test how it smells like. This was the Fincrisp. Quite fresh, not particular, quite good. This neither has any specific smell. This is always better to do the next day, because if it's too fresh, it's very good, and you get the taste or the idea of the taste better when it's the next day. It might be that the color of these is a bit more brown than these. It might be that I had them 1 minute or so more in the oven. This is the Fincrisp with 2 days of starter. So growing the starter, feeding the starter for 2 days. It's very good. It tastes like rye bread. It should taste like. It's very good, maybe a little bit weak, because only 2 days of feeding the starter. It might have been, the starter was fierce. It was a lot more active than the starter from the Vaasan ruispalat. So that's why I was like, okay, this is the thing. And I was a little bit skeptical that the other one would work so well, because it was not that active. It didn't smell like, didn't have that sour, tangy smell as much as the other one. But I gave it a little bit more time. I fed it 2 days more, like 48 hours more, and let's see. This is unbelievably good. This is like from the shop or from the store. I just want to eat more and more of these. There's not a big difference, I have to say. Not a big difference. They also look very, very much alike, like this. I used the same recipe. I actually accidentally put a little bit more yeast to this later one, but the dough is made the same, with the same instruction. Okay, so this is good, but this is even better. I'm also quite sure that if I would have left this starter of the Fincrisp to be fed for 2 days more, I'm pretty sure it would have gotten more of the sour taste that needs to be in there. These are very similar. Now I have to decide which starter I'm going to use next time I will bake. I think these both are good, no doubt about it. But if you have 2 types of bread at home, if you have the Fincrisp and you have Vaasan ruispalat, go for the Vaasan ruispalat. I think it's better. Slight difference in taste, but they are both very, very good. I'm so happy. I'm not going to buy any any more bread from Finland. I'm going to do this. Just bake it when I want more. So we have a winner, and it is this Vaasan ruispalat. But the difference is very small. I would also gladly make these ones. But now I have two starters. No worries, they can be frozen. Starter can be in the fridge for a couple of weeks if you plan to bake soon. But if you're not planning to bake very soon, just put a ball of dough to the freezer, and it can be revived, and you can make a new dough with it.